Life is wonderful. There is nature, sunshine, infrastructure, and technology all around us. Each day we wake up and we appreciate the years of development till now. What if I told you that with technology we could easily replicate all of that in 3D? How would you feel? Does it scare you or make you more inquisitive? If it makes you more inquisitive, then this video is for you. I'm going to be taking you through the journey of 3D modeling and why it's so important in today's climate. Now, what is 3D? It means three-dimensional. And according to MediaCollege.com, it is something that has width, height, and depth. They further explain that our physical environment is three-dimensional. Therefore, we can almost replicate this. How, you may ask? For this video, we are going to focus more on 3D modeling. According to Autodesk, which is an American multinational corporation which provides services for architecture, engineering, and many more, 3D modeling is the process of using software to create a mathematical representation of a 3D dimensional object or shape. The object is called a 3D model. These models are used in a variety of industries, especially in architecture, construction, TV, video games, engineering, the aircraft industry, and the automotive industry. 3D modeling is the process of creating it. But how do we create? We create it through software. The software is a tool by which we channel our ideas onto our eyes. 3D modeling has been here earlier than 30 years ago. Studies show that in 1963, a man named Ivan Sutherland, a computer scientist from the USA, wrote a program called Sketchpad. That's where the evolution of computer-generated images began. Sutherland's idea was used to create software that allows computers to read drawings that were depicted on the screen with a light pen. In terms of 3D modeling, software has two categories: the Building Information Modeling, which is BIM, and the other, which is Computer Aided Design, or CAD. Today, I'll be focusing more on CAD software. Now, Autodesk tells us that CAD is technology for design and technical documentation. It would typically be used to aid manual drafting like we used to do in the past, and still do today, to be honest. For example, if you're an architect, you'll be familiar with the software such as AutoCAD. And these new software programs such as CAD help us draft construction documentation, explore ideas, and visualize concepts to realistic photos, and sometimes even help us show how design functions in the real world. These softwares work hand in hand. For example, let's say we're to design a new bicycle. We would need to ensure that a particular amount of load can be placed on this without it deforming, or we call it stress failure. Software helps us calculate the required material and size that could support a certain load. We have so many types of CAD software. There's Maya, Cinema 4D, 3ds Max, and Rhinoceros 3D. The industry is so diverse, and we even have artists using 3D printing technology to assemble and create art. Take a look at this video by 3D artist and designer Herschel Shapiro on Instagram. Let me know what you would like to learn more about in the next video. Thanks for watching.